My name is Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel. This is Creations. Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. I have brought with some incredible. I pray that God bless you. I keep you all safe. Music away from toddlers and karmic examine. Watch the videos to learn the videos as the collections. Keep watching, keep enjoying, keep getting ideas. Today's video will share with you guys very beautiful and very good crochet dog sweaters. Designs connections are amazing and gorgeous design. You can see the beautiful and comfortable crochet handmade dog sweaters. Designs are so amazing and interesting videos. This videos new designs and new ideas, so subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, get up notifications of upcoming videos. So you guys, thanks for watching. Remember me in your prayers and Allah Hafiz.